Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here. Can I share with you a simple $10 software that has helped me make $187 in 4 days, which is a 12.4% gain on my capital? Alright, well, let me share with you my results before I share with you the software, because I'm pretty sure you want to see the results. So I did a practice run of 40 trades, and I got a 92% win rate, and I won 26 times in a row. And this is zero leverage trading, okay? So I started with 406. Here's my wins and losses, okay? Right there. So I lost 4 total, okay? And I had a 26 win streak. So here's my win streak, right? And then I lost one, and then I won that dollar back, okay? So with this practice, I was able to turn 406 into 513, which means I made $111. Is that right? No, $107, I believe. And so I was like, okay, I'm if this is how I can trade, I'm literally so good that I can start a hedge fund. And everyone should give me their money to day trade if I've got 92% win rate. And you can just get paid dividends from me. But anyways, I was like, dang, I should really bet on myself. So what I did is I made $100 day trading. Okay. Made $106 or $107. And then I decided to bet on myself and put more crypto, more capital, more savings into my day trading. So once 2024, let's see, so on December 31st, New Year's Eve, I started with a new balance of 1516. And since then, I've got a 100% win rate, 12 wins, 0 losses, and here's the gain on each trade. Okay, biggest trades were 29 right there. And then this trade stayed in for 2 days. This trade stayed in for 2 days. But since this is about 4 days of day trading, okay? Now, I also started like late night on New Year's Eve, like probably like 5 p.m. day trading. So this is about 4 days, okay? So this is 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and then the 4th day went a little bit into the 5th day, okay? But basically about 4.2, 4.5 days, I was able to make $187 profit in 4 days, okay? Which is a 12.4% gain on 1516 in 4 days. That's my real trading results. That's my real trading results. I am not hiding anything. I'm not adding more money to my balance to hedge trades. I actually put 100% of each trade into one trade. I'm sorry. I put 100% of my balance into each trade. And I've got a 92 to 100% win rate. Okay? So very, very powerful. Like, can I show you the software that does this shit? Can I show you the software that helps me do this? Do I have your attention? Alright, so $10 per month. $10 per month has made me $187 profit on this software. So let me show you the software. And before we do, let me get into the disclaimers real quick. Results not guaranteed. It takes hard work to day trade. Results are on your own. Most people make $0 day trading. Most people lose all their money day trading. So please refer to the income disclaimers. And if you decide to purchase anything from one of my links, I will make a commission. Thank you very much. Alright, so now we're going to go to the software. Well, let me go ahead and start the software from scratch. So that way you can see how it works, okay? So you log in. You go right here. You log in. You go right here. And you click on Trading Portal, okay? Now you're going to click right here, and then click right here. So now this is the proper chart. The other chart was like a overall movement direction, like bear versus bull. This chart is going to be, your normal indicators that you're, expecting somewhat. But yeah, that other chart that you just saw, this one, it's for the moving average momentum. So it's like, is the overall market in a bear? Is the overall market in a bull? And so that helps you determine whether you want to do dip trades or squeeze trades. But anyways, what we do is we click on it and then click on the tab and we're in. It's a login tool, not a download. It's not a download software, so don't worry. It's not going to fuck up your computer and take your memory and override your RAM and CPM. Or actually, I think it's CPU. But anyways, so you're here, and then you click on Trade Finder. That's it. And right now, there happens to only be one trade inside of here. And so what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to wait for some more trades to show up so that I can actually demonstrate a little bit more for you. But here's this trade that this is finding. So you click right here. It shows the trade. And all you got to do is just say, does this look like what I learned to day trade? That's it. It's literally visual day trading. It's visual day trade. It's not analytical. It's paint by numbers visual. Paint by numbers visual. So squeeze, bubble, 1, 2, 3, profit. Okay? So we're going to go back to the software. We're going to see, does it do a squeeze, bubble, 1, 2, 3, profit? Well, we got a squeeze, and then a bubble, right? See the squeeze, bubble. Okay, and then we got a 1 dip. It's going outside, and it has not gone back inside the blue lines, right? So here, 1 dip, did not go back inside. So we're still on the first dip, which means we're like right here on this trade. We're like right here on this trade, okay? So we gotta wait. So within 1 second, basically, I know it took me more than 1 second to explain it, but in 1 second, okay, I can look at this. Oh, there's another trade. All right, ready? So, but in 1 second, I can just see 1 dip. Okay, next trade. Okay, so now that we see that's a 1 dip, we're just going to go to the next trade. It doesn't matter. It does not fucking matter. So now we go to the DSO. Does DSO look like what we should trade? Does this look like this? Well, the truth is that this software will find trades early. Okay, so what will happen is this software will find the trade from here all the way down to here. And when it starts to go back up, it'll actually like tell you it's not in a dip trade anymore. So the software will find trades from here all the way to here. So it's up to you, you degenerate, to make sure that you reference and cross-check the training. So does the software show me this? No? Then I don't trade. Then I don't trade, right? So, where's the squeeze bubble? 1, 2, 3. Well, actually, it's, see how this is a squeeze, and then it barely starts to open up right there. So you can be like, oh, there's the 1 dip, But you want to make sure that that it looks like this. Like you want a big old fucking bubble. You want a big old belly right here, okay? So if it says you're in a dip trade right here and it goes 1 back in, 2 back in, 3, technically that's a 3 dip. And if I measure it up, it's a 0.79. So that's not a good enough trade. Okay? It's not even forming a good 3 dip, not even a good bubble, and even if I do buy and it does go up safely, it's only a 0.79 trade. So we have no trades available right now. I'm going to go smoke some weed. I'm going to go make some breakfast. I'm going to go enjoy my life, and I'll come back to day trading in like an hour, 3 hours, maybe tonight, whenever I can. And then I'll look through these trades again. And that's it. It's just a picture book. What I really want you to understand is that This software for $10 a month basically turns day trading into a picture book. That's what it does. It basically turns day trading into a picture book. Okay? So, actually, I can see now that this isn't a one dip. Okay, so here's the squeeze. Here's the bubble. Right here. So this is a one dip. It's technically gone back in, but I don't like... Oh, wow, okay. Like, you... See how powerful this 3-dip is, if you can read it? Like, technically it went up 2% instantly. But I would not take this trade, because you want to make sure that it looks like a beautiful squeezed bubble 1, 2, 3. So important to take this structure. Now, as you get good, you might want to take some of these, like 1, back in, 2, back in, 3. Sometimes you might want to take some of these riskier trades. I never take risky trades, and that's why I have a 100% win rate with my 15-16. Okay? And a 92.3% win rate on 40 trades before that. Okay? So, this is how you do it. You literally just click here. Shows you a picture. Does this picture look like profit money? What we should trade? 1. Okay, no, it does not look like what I should trade. So now I go to the next one. Okay, I get a picture. Okay. Now, does it look like this picture? 1 back in, 2 back in, 3. Yeah, it does look like this picture, but if I measure to the yellow line, it's only about a 0.8% profit. So I want to wait for a better trade. I want to wait for more room, more of a dip, more profit. And I'm not saying that I want to make more profit. So like, for example, let's say, or maybe I can find a better example. So let's say from here to here is 1.89%. Okay, let's just say it's like 5% for a hypothetical example. Or let's just go up to here, okay? So you would sell on the yellow line, but let's just say that we have this much room, 3.85% profit. That would be enough room to take a trade. If it was from here to here, 3.85, that's very good, but it's still not a 3-dip, right? So let's say this is a 3-dip, and we got a nice amount of room. You don't want to take all that profit. If let's say this is a 3-dip, and I buy right here, and the yellow line's up to here, and I have a 3.5% profit zone. I'm not going to take 3.5% profit. I'm going to take like 0.8% profit, 0.9% profit, 1% profit, maybe even 0.5% of profit. That's all the money I'm going to make. Okay? I'm not going to try to max out at the top. I'm just going to... The reason this works so well is because you wait for such a big dip, and you only pick the coins that have such a big rise and such a big gain, and so that allows you to sell out of your trade. So if this is a good trade for hypothetical example, I'm going to buy here. It's going to be able to go up to here, but I'm going to sell here, right? So that way, it's way safer. I get in and out, and I don't have to worry about it. I got my capital in liquid again, and I can enter another 3-dip trade. Okay? Now this is a 1-dip. It's probably gonna go down. It's probably gonna go up real quick and then go down again. So that way, it forms the 2nd dip. Okay? So I'm just showing you how to analyze these pictures. Really simple and really easy. You don't draw shit. You don't draw nothing. No fucking lines. All you do is say, does this look like the picture that I should trade? No. Next. Does this look like the picture I should trade? Yes. Okay, go for it. Alright, click the Go ahead and register for the free bootcamp right now, my friend, down below.